Thank you for joining us to watch realestateinvestorsdashboard.com video tutorials. Real Estate Investors Dashboard is the website where investors help investors to make profitable and well-informed decisions when investing to real estate. In this part of our tutorial, we're going to discuss three important items to consider when investing to real estate. First item is initial investments. Initial investments are out of investor pocket money to cover down payment and closing costs. Second item, cash flows. Cash flows is the difference between rental revenues and operating expenses and mortgage costs. Third item is profit. Profitability shows how much money we make on each dollar invested into real estate. There are many different profitability ratios, but the most important is ROI, return on investment. Now let's explore initial investments. Initial investments include items like down payment. Down payment could be in the range between 5 to 20% and more. For rental properties, it's likely to be 20%. Second item include initial investments are taxes. Different jurisdictions imply different taxes on real estate transactions. Let's say in province of Ontario there is a provincial land transfer tax. In city of Toronto, city land transfer tax. Next item, legal fees. Legal fees includes lawyers' fees, title insurance costs, and different registration fees. If down payment less than 20%, investor have to pay high ratio mortgage insurance premium. This premium could be in between 2 to 3% range out of total purchase price. Other levies and fees includes education, transportation, area development levies, inspection fees, appraisal fees, and probably mortgage broker fees. To enter initial investment data into investor dashboard, user has to go to project analysis menu and click on input. On input you will find project info section. I use name for our project Toronto 1-bedroom condo. Another important item is years to hold. Let's say we have a time horizon for 5 years. If you click on more to expand this section, you can enter address for the property, and then another important item is date of acquisition. This is official first month of our real estate investment project. Let's say we're going to buy a property in July 2016. And next fields you can describe the property, number of configuration of the condo, number of rooms, bathrooms, bedrooms, den, lockers, parking spots, and some additional comments regarding this property. There are a few important items I'd like to show you. This is related to sales tax city and tax province. If you click on another section called closing costs, I expand this section. You will see calculated fields, province land transfer tax and city land transfer tax. If I change tax city to, let's say, Hamilton, this zeroed out city land transfer tax because Hamilton doesn't charge city land transfer tax. If I change Ontario, let's say Quebec to Quebec, the same happened to province land transfer tax. My condo is located in Toronto, so I'll bring back Toronto and province of Ontario. Oops, Toronto. I will collapse this section. Now I'm going to use section property info to enter purchase price, which is 260,000, seems reasonable. Monthly maintenance fee, because it's Conda, $450, monthly property tax $200. If you click on more to expand this section, you can put percentage annual property price increase. 4% annual increase will make estimated sales price in 5 years $316,000. Let's put 5%. So estimated sales price is $331,000. Mortgage down payment is 20%. If you pay less than 20% down payment, let's say 10%, this field trigger high ratio mortgage insurance premium in closing cost section, which is $4,680. But because it's rental property and bank will ask 20% down, so I put back 20% down, and this eliminates high ratio mortgage insurance premium. My mortgage down payment is calculated automatically. It's $52,000. The rest of initial investments could be entered in closing costs fields. Property inspection fee, appraisal fees, property survey fee, legal fees, educational levy, and other charges. Once we finish enter our closing costs, we just can click on less to collapse closing costs. This concludes presentation about initial investment input into investors dashboard. See you next time. Goodbye.